Congratulations on purchasing your Look-It wireless rear vision system, designed to assist you in a perfect parking experience. This video will guide you for the proper installation. Included in each package is a license plate holder with built-in wireless camera, a quick view wireless remote with dashboard and steering wheel mount, hardware kit with brackets and screws, and a magnetic universal smartphone holder. The first step is downloading the app and pairing your smartphone with a license plate holder. To do this, go to the App Store or Google Play Store to download the Look-It Cam app and follow the instructions to pair your smartphone to the license plate holder. Once the app is downloaded, click the activation button located on the back of the license plate holder for 4 seconds to proceed to the pairing. Remove your license plate from the vehicle. Be sure to keep the original screws. Place your license plate holder in the correct height location on your vehicle. Hole number 2 is the standard position for most installations. However, in some cases, the holder may need to be installed higher or lower than the original license plate position. Use the original screws from your license plate to fasten. Before placing your license plate on the license plate holder, insert the flat brackets labeled Part B onto each side cavity of the license plate holder. It is important that the marking on the bracket is facing towards you and that the arrows are pointing up. To simplify the process, thread in the screw labeled Part C on each bracket. Begin by sliding the bracket on the right side cavity. While having the bracket as far up as possible, slide it into the left side cavity. The bracket will be set in place. You can now remove the screws. You are now ready to install your license plate onto the license plate holder. Reinstall your license plate with the 2 short silver Torx screws labeled Part C, the protective rubber cap labeled Part D, and the metal washer labeled Part E. Please ensure to place the protective plastic caps and the washers labeled Part E together. Then use the Torx driver labeled Part H to begin to tighten and secure the screws. Before you finish tightening the screws, slide your license plate underneath the camera while making sure the top of the plate is flush with the upper lip of the license plate holder. Once in place, proceed to tighten screws. Then close and snap the protective rubber caps. If the bottom of the license plate is not lying flush, you may place the adhesive tape labeled Part F on the back side of your license plate. Remove plastic film on the camera. Depending on the height of the camera license plate assembly, the camera can be adjusted up or down to get the best view possible. Once the license plate is installed, you are now ready to set up the 3-button Quick View wireless remote control. The Quick View wireless remote can be mounted on either your steering wheel, gear shift, or handbrake using the Velcro strap cable. To rotate the Quick View remote for left or right installation on the steering wheel, you must remove it from the cradle. To do this, use a flathead screwdriver and gently pry the remote from the 2 tabs on the cradle. You can also mount the Quick View remote on the dashboard or center console. Use the alcohol pad labeled Part K to clean the surface thoroughly. Use the adhesive tape labeled Part G. For best results, please ensure the adhesive tape is used on a flat, smooth, clean, and dry surface. Included in the packaging is a magnetic holder that allows for your smartphone to be mounted on your air vent for easy visibility. Fasten the magnetic mount to the vehicle air vent using the holding clip. Make sure to clean the back of your smartphone or case cover before installing the adhesive metal plate. If you do not use a smartphone case, install the adhesive plate labeled Part J on the back of your smartphone. If your smartphone is equipped with a case cover, install the adhesive plate labeled Part I between your smartphone and the case cover. Your smartphone can now be used with the holder. The center button allows for the video to be displayed within seconds on your smartphone. To turn off the video, simply press the center button again. For buttons F1 and F2, please visit our website for uses. You are now ready to use your Look-It wireless rear view system. Enjoy and drive safe!